On the morning of August 24th, 79 AD, life in the Roman town of Pompeii appeared normal. Shops opened, streets filled, and households went about their routines. Few residents suspected that by the next day, their city would no longer exist. Pompeii had lived for generations in the shadow of Mount Vesuvius. The mountain was green, quiet, and believed to be dormant. No living memory connected it with catastrophe. Pompeii lay approximately 9 kilometers from Vesuvius, near the Bay of Naples. The region was fertile and prosperous, but also geologically unstable. Earthquakes were common and largely accepted as part of daily life. A major earthquake had struck the area 17 years earlier, damaging many buildings. Reconstruction was still ongoing. Because tremors were frequent, smaller quakes on the day of the eruption caused little alarm. In the hours before midday, the ground shook more frequently. Objects rattled and walls cracked. These were early warnings, but the science of volcanoes did not yet exist. To the people of Pompeii, these disturbances were unsettling, but not unprecedented. Shortly after noon, the situation changed dramatically. Mount Vesuvius erupted with enormous force, releasing a column of ash, gas, and volcanic debris high into the atmosphere. Ancient observers described the cloud as resembling a pine tree, with a tall trunk and spreading branches. Ash began to fall on Pompeii, at first lightly, then in increasing density. The air grew thick, breathing became difficult. Visibility dropped. At this stage, survival was still possible, but conditions were deteriorating rapidly. As ash continued to fall, it accumulated on rooftops. Roman houses were not designed to bear such weight. Roofs began to collapse, turning homes into traps. Some residents chose to remain indoors, believing stone walls offered protection. Others attempted to flee the city, moving toward gates or the coastline. Both decisions carried enormous risk. By late afternoon, daylight faded. Ash clouds blocked the sun, plunging the city into near-total darkness. Torches and oil lamps were lit, but visibility remained poor. The soundscape of Pompeii changed completely. Wind, falling debris, coughing, and distant cries replaced the normal noise of a Roman town. During the night and early morning hours, the most lethal phase began. Pyroclastic flows, fast-moving clouds of superheated gas and volcanic material, surged down the slopes of Vesuvius. These flows moved at extreme speed and temperature. When they reached Pompeii, survival became impossible. Death occurred within seconds, caused by heat and toxic gases. Pompeii was buried beneath meters of ash and volcanic debris. The city vanished from the landscape and from memory. Nearly 17 centuries later, excavations revealed streets, buildings, and even the final positions of its inhabitants. Pompeii became one of the most important archaeological sites in the world. It offers an unparalleled snapshot of Roman daily life and a powerful reminder of how quickly nature can overwhelm even a thriving civilization.